What's the meaning of cash and carry? Cash and carry. Cash and carry.
Cash and carry. Cash and carry. Cash and carry refers to a business model where customers pay for their purchases in cash and carry them away themselves, without any delivery service or credit provided by the seller. This model is often used in wholesale and retail markets where low prices are the main attraction. By eliminating the costs associated with delivery and credit, the seller can offer products at a lower price. Overall, cash and carry benefits customers who want to save money and sellers who want to reduce costs and increase sales.